What's up, everyone? You've reached Tuck Notes. This is your do-it-yourself chapter, and I'm on day, I don't know, this is the fourth day maybe I've done it, of a boulder that was right here, and then it slid its way all the way down, and it got stopped by these iron gates. And so I was like 5 feet long, and I've broken it up, and I'm almost at the end now. I saw the rocks from the boulder. But what I'm finding very helpful is what I do is I use my chisel. I use this and I draw a line. Like there's a line right here, a crappy line. But I make an indentation there. And now I'm going to take this rod, iron rod, has this end at one end, and then it's got a pointy end. I use a pointy end, and I'm gonna hit it right in the dead center. And I'm gonna do that with as much power as I have in the middle, right smack dab in the middle, for like a good 6-7 hits. And then I'll work my way over here and here. And that'll loosen up the rock, and eventually it will crack in half. So you'll see. I can't wait to show it to you guys. All right, late.